Kangana Ranaut is always in the headlines for her blunt and controversial statements, and the recent case is about the same. After being permanently banned from Twitter, Kangana chose Instagram as a medium to share her opinions, which usually create a stir. Recently, Kangana Ranaut expressed her want to rename India back to Bharat. Clarifying her views over it in a long post, the Tejas actor claimed that the name India has been given to Bharat by Britishers and also tagged it as a slave name. In one of Kangana Ranaut's posts, she shared a screenshot of her True account. It read as, "India can only rise if it's rooted in its ancient spirituality and wisdom. That is the soul of our great civilization. The world will look up to us and we will emerge as a world leader if we go higher in urban growth but not be cheap copy of Western world and remain deeply rooted in Vedas, Gita and yoga. Can we please change the slave name India back to Bharat?" In a follow-up post, Kangana explained why India should be renamed as Bharat. Now, netizens were quick to slam Kangana as one of the users wrote, "Kangana Ranaut says India is a slave name given by British and therefore must be replaced with Bharat. But who's gonna tell her that before British there was neither India nor Bharat?" Here's how the other netizens reacted. In her post, Kangana had written, "British gave us slave name India, which literally means east of Indus River. Really? Would you call a child small nose or second born or worse, C-section? What kind of a name is this? So rudimentary. Let me tell you the meaning of Bharat. It's made of 3 Sanskrit words, Bhav, Rag and Tal. Yes, that's who we were before we were enslaved. The most culturally and aesthetically evolved civilization. Every name has a vibration, and the British knew this. They not only gave new names to places, but even to people and important monuments. We must regain our lost glory. Let's start with the name Bharat." Meanwhile, on the work front, Kangana Ranaut will next be seen in the Thalaivi movie, which is the biopic of former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Jayalalitha. The Tamil version of the movie has bagged U Censor certificate recently.